Think about it. If you don't have any losses, that means you have gains. If you set up a prompt like I did with my AI agent, let's go out and find those stocks that are most likely to give us a double, a 2x over the next 3 years. Well, some of them are going to give you a 2x in 1 year. Some of them are going to give you a 5x in 1 year. That's what's happened to me. Over the last 15 months, my portfolio has grown by 198%. All I set out to do was to avoid the losers. Now, I did not get some of the big winners. I didn't get SanDisk. I didn't get Western Digital. I did get Micron. But that's all it is. Just avoid the losers. So you don't buy pharmaceutical companies who 99% set out to find a new drug and then they can't get it approved. So you lose. You don't buy products that are sold in a grocery store because they don't have the margins. You just buy stocks who have the potential, the likelihood of doubling in 3 years. And in my case, you might more than double in 3 years. So with that in mind, I decided I needed to explain how I did this and then also share with people who are the next winners, who are the next not losers. And so I wrote a white paper, and I'm going to put a link to it in the description, and you just click on it and it'll show up on your computer screen, and you read it and you decide, is this the way I want to invest in the future? If it is, then you go find my website. It's bestofusinvestors.com, and you come and you sign up for a free trial for a month to learn the system. At the end of the month, if you want to continue to have access to those stocks who are going to most likely give you a 2x over the next 3 years, and you want to find some that'll give you a 10x in the next year as a result of a very simple 4.5-page prompt that my AI agent and I built, that's what we're doing. If you'd like to join us, you now know how to do it. If you want to continue to do what you're doing, that's okay too. But read the paper. Read the white paper I wrote, and then make a good decision for you.